Hello, my name is Alexander, and this is a video demo for my Employee Analytics Dashboard project. Employee Analytics Dashboard is a web application that analyzes employee engagement in community sessions at the company. Before the actual demo, I would like to explain how the system works. The system has 5 main components: front-end, which users can interact with; API, which is responsible for business logic and data manipulations in the application; database, which provides data from various sources; Grafana, which is used for a portion of interactive analytics and is integrated into the front end; and proxy, which is used to bypass the course restrictions when logging in to Grafana. Now, let's jump to the actual demo. To use the application, the user needs to log in with their GitHub account. If the user is not part of an organization, they will be denied access to the system. If the user logs in with a valid account, they get redirected to the dashboard page of the application. The app you can see here is divided into 3 main sections: Dashboard, Node Graph, and Heat Map. The dashboard section has 2 parts: a date selector on top and an integrated Grafana dashboard at the bottom. The date selector can be used to manipulate the date range for the analytics displayed in the Grafana dashboard below. To change the date, the user can either type a new date or make a selection in the calendar pop-up. The Grafana dashboard has various statistics included in it, including who was the most active employee in hosting community sessions, total number of community sessions hosted, what employees worked with each other during community sessions, the attendance of various community sessions over time, top users who attended the most community sessions, and various other statistics. The node graph is the second section in the application that allows users to generate various node graphs to show what employees worked together in community sessions in the past. 2 options are available on this page: filter by specific node or filter by multiple nodes. If the user clicks on the Filter by Specific Node button, a drawer shows up on the right side with all employee names in the company. To select a specific employee, the user can search for an employee they're interested in and then select them by clicking on the employee's name. Please note that only 1 employee can be selected in this drawer. Once an employee is selected, the user needs to click the Apply button to generate a node graph. Here you can see an interactive node graph in the shape of a flower that shows how many times the employee worked with other employees during the community sessions. The orange circle is the employee the user had selected in the drawer. You can zoom and pan in this graph and even move the nodes around. Please note, the more the employees work together, the closer they are positioned to each other in the node graph and vice versa. You can also click on any node to view more specific details about each employee in terms of who they worked with. When the user clicks on Filter by Multiple Nodes button, a similar drawer appears on the right side of the screen. The user can also search for employees by name, but now they can select multiple users at the same time. Once the user clicks the Apply button, a new node graph is generated, but this time only with the employees the user had selected previously. This graph is also interactable and follows the same logic for positioning nodes. Similar to the previous node graph option, if the user clicks on a specific node on the node graph, a more detailed view of that employee is displayed. The last section in the app is called the heat map. This interactive heat map displays all the employees in the company and who they worked with during community sessions. The user can hover over a specific rectangle to see a tooltip that shows how many times two different employees worked with each other in the past. If the employees haven't worked together yet, the intersecting rectangle for those two people is red. If employees have worked together, the rectangle is green. The more times the employees work together, the darker the shade of green is. The user can also toggle the color theme in the app by clicking on the button on the top right. There is also a button that allows users to share their feedback. When the user wants to finish their web session, they can log out to return to the login screen. I hope you enjoyed this demo. Thank you for watching.